The Frontier is a truck with many faces and personalities. There are 5 models: an extended cab or crew cab, beds that are 60 inches long or 74 inches long, a choice between 4-cylinder engine or V6, 2 manual transmissions and 1 automatic, 4x2 or 4x4. You can get a Frontier equipped as a vanilla work truck, or a desert runner, or a chunky tired and lifted Pro 4X. Base engine is a 2.5-liter 4 making 152 horsepower. It's cheaper to buy but it won't pull like the V6 and doesn't get much better fuel mileage. The 4.0-liter V6 makes 261 horsepower and 281 pound-foot of torque, with as much grunt as some V8s, the small ones. Frontiers are rated to tow 6,000 pounds or more. The crew cab is a true 4-door. The king cab's rear doors are hinged at the rear, and open up to the rear seats that are better for cargo than people. The bed of the king cab measures 73.3 inches, while the crew cab's bed is 59.5 inches, with the longer bed available. That setup would stretch the Frontier from its normal 205.5 inches to 219.4 inches. With rear-wheel drive and a 4-cylinder engine, there's a 5-speed manual transmission or 5-speed automatic. With the V6 and 2WD, it's a 6-speed manual or the automatic. 4-wheel drive only comes with the V6. All Frontiers use the same suspension design, double wishbones in front and leaf springs in rear, with a solid axle, stamp of the 10-year-old design. But the upgrades can get showy, for example the Bilstein dampers and locking diff on the Desert Runner or Pro 4X. The Frontier loses the fuel mileage competition for mid-size trucks. The 2WD 4-cylinder with the 6-speed manual gets 19 miles per gallon city, 23 highway, and 21 combined. The more popular 5-speed automatic transmission brings the combined MPG down to 19. That's the same combined MPG as the V6 with rear-wheel drive and the manual, and only 1 more MPG than the V6 with the automatic. The 4WD gets 1 mile per gallon less with each transmission. Despite its stated design, the Frontier's crash testing scores aren't bad. The NHTSA hasn't tested the Frontier, but the ACE gives it top good scores for all the tests it performed, with an acceptable in-head restraint. The Frontier offers no crash avoidance features,